think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on. Know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important. What I'ma lock out. Don't play with the. Someone come on through my heart. I think it's wrong.
Damn. Boy, that is something I think I'll warm up in turbos. Let's go. SRT. We're gonna use my boy custom mode. You know, I don't want to finish my boy tires. Got my boy Danny behind me. Look at the stars in the roof, man. Why not? I know you guys enjoy these POVs, and I don't have a car. Well, I have a car, but it's not working. So I'm gonna just make some random POVs for you guys, man. I got this car. I had the SRT Hellcat Durango yesterday. I'm gonna put on my Android also. I had the SRT Hellcat Durango yesterday, and now I have the Charger. Big shout out to my boys SRT Frost and Hellgato 62. Big shout out to my boys, man. Making sure I'm good with cars, right? She got 5% on the front windshield. Tell me guys what you guys think about the cats. Do you love the cats? Or should I get rid of the cat? I mean, I did tell it if it has another major problem, I'm gonna get rid of it. And she had a major problem. But I was just starting to say I'm not gonna get rid of the cat, you know? Is he flashing me or no? No, he's not. The wicker will make it look like he's flashing me. Pop just now, that's nice. My boy Danny. Hey buddy. You want to dig? Huh? That's a phone. Don't break boost no, you know? What? Go. Let's go. That was a nice ass race, huh? That was a nice ass race. So like you try to def somebody tonight. Yo, let me get somebody in Popsy and that tunnel here. Go through that. See the flames. That's just shoot flames. Follow my boy down in TikTok to see the flames. That's just shoot crazy flames. Alright, I'm gonna put it in drive and just floor it off the line. You wanna know that dig that? Oh shit. That's how I floor it. Yeah, that's how I take off. Cause it don't spin as much as my own. You see me? But it's, remember say it's stuck in you have to pull it too. That's it. May use launch. Yeah. So press brake and quickly apply full. May I use launch control?
Oh shit.
I feel like I was going to do a burnout. Yeah, boy, that's boy. Me do launch a while ago, but it take too long, say bog down, and then it restart. Yeah, because my pull is smaller. Say so, but that's why my supercharger loader can wind more. Yeah, dog, exhaust sounds sweet though, you know? And it shifts them. You see, I'm telling you, say my car never shift like that. Yeah, you see how this and the Durango sound the same with the shift them though. My car never shift like that. That's why I say maybe a long time my transmission ago. Nice, no? Hellcats. This shit sweet, boy. This shit sweet. And feel more newer, say have Android Auto, all of that shit. Yeah, my one have that. Guys, be sure to follow my boys, man. El Stesso, follow my boy Danny. Follow my boy Hellcat 062 for this Hellcat right here. Follow my boy SRT Frost for the Hellcat Durango, man. And boys been coming through clutch for me while my car has been broken, man. I got a Hellcat today and I had to deal with some shit. So you know, this Hellcat came through for me. Yesterday I had to deal with some other stuff. The Durango came through for me. And this man has been bringing me to pick up all of them. So appreciate my boy Danny, and he's been helping me on my Hellcat. So I mean, I got my boys with me, man. We go through the fast car problems, man. Fast car problems, shit gonna break. Shit gonna break. But you just need some warranty. Or at least have some bread. Oh, it's about to start raining. God damn. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, little short thing, right? Yeah, dog.